Hi guys, it's Jackie. Today we're going to be playing some more Minecraft, since this is a Minecraft channel. So today I'm on just sort of like a server, of course on Pocket Edition. Again, don't have a computer, but we can still play Minecraft. Nothing will stop me. But yeah, today we're going to just be playing on my server. I might ask you guys a few questions at the end of the video. Let me know what you think in the comments below. But yeah, the first question I am gonna ask though, right from the start, do you guys want me to create sort of like, not a server, but a world where you guys can comment something, like, for example, let me think. A treehouse, and then like I would build it and then say who commented that, and like if we were gonna put like rooms in it, like so like I'm not sure if you guys ever heard of him, but Smallish Bean, sort of like he used to do before he stopped doing rooms. But yeah, we would be doing rooms, but sort of like that. Yeah. If you guys want to do that, just answer the question. Answer in the comments below of this video once you're done watching. Remember to share this video with your friends if you like it, or even subscribe for more. Sorry, that was about it. Camera angle. But yeah, let's get on with the video. Okay, so, and I'm sorry I can't cut that. But yeah, so this is my really plain house. Yeah, really plain. If you guys don't want to do the build server, that's perfectly fine with me. I would personally think it would be awesome, but that's my opinion. And I'm not going to influence you guys' choices. But yeah, if you guys think it's a good idea, comment in the comments below. And this is new. Is it just me or is this new? I've never seen that before. There's another one over here. Is this leading me somewhere? Spooky. Any other signs? Whoa. This one. That one. I just like this one. Yeah, that one. But yeah. So, yeah. This, I don't know why, but I've pretty much found a village in all of my worlds. And my favorite world got deleted. Bummer. But that doesn't mean we cannot make a new one. But yeah, so this is my really plain house. Let me just wash my hands. Hands all clean. This is sort of just like the kitchen, the trash. Be careful you don't fall in there, kids. My bed, and that's pretty much it. This, I do everything. Before anybody comments, I said do. I don't care. I do most of my servers in creative mode just to make things easier, but yeah, most servers that you will see are most likely in creative mode. Somebody just died right there. I don't know. Let's watch some TV. The other house isn't really my house. This is my house. Let's watch some TV. Interesting. Oh no, she didn't. You go, girl. That's enough TV. Computer. Let's play some Minecraft. Yeah. But yeah. So I'm sorry, I just got so silent. But yeah, this video is pretty much just me asking the question, do you guys want a subscriber server? Not a server that you guys can log on to. I know, sad, I mean, yeah, I know. But this is all I can do. But if you guys would like to have a server where you guys can be part of my channel, then just comment saying yes or no, or I don't care. Any answers count. I will not be mad at anyone for saying yes or no. Being honest, I don't think it. Hi, Mom.
What are you talking to?
Recording a video.
Oh, okay. I'm like,
Sorry, guys, that's my mom.
who are you talking to?
Video. I'm recording a video for YouTube.
Oh, okay. But you're saying sorry, guys?
Yeah, because it's gonna be in the video because I don't know how to cut it.
Oh.
Again,
Wires on the
sorry.
floor again. 2 wires on the floor.
Sally people. But yeah, that was my mom. Yeah. I know. Weirdo, I know. But yeah. So as I was saying, this video was just sort of saying, do you guys want something to do with subscriber stuff? And if you have any other ideas, comment them in the comment section. I will take them into consideration. Remember, I only have Pocket Edition. You can probably tell because you can see like where I'm heading to. Because hello phone. But yeah, I think that's gonna be it. I know this was a short video. I was just sort of asking the question, do you guys want to do something with my channel? Like, as I was saying, some sort of like subscriber thing. And if you do, just leave it in the comment section and I will get right to it. And I do check my comments, guys. And if I ever don't get to yours, I am so sorry. I might be busy like tonight. I actually have to go in 19 minutes. So, yeah. Because I have school and homework and all that. Which life is so busy. I just fell in the water. Life is so busy for me. I would expect me to post more often during the weekend than during the week, unless it's in the summer. Then you can expect me to really post pretty much at any time. I don't really have a schedule, but when I make one, I will tell you guys what my schedule is. But that will probably be when I get a computer, which might be after I move. Sad face. Sad face. Oh yeah, by the way, that's my username, JackieGirl10. But yeah, I think that's gonna be it, guys. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up and share this video. And maybe even hit the thumbs up button with your foot. Yeah, that's what I said. Hit it with your foot. And leave a comment giving me an answer for the subscriber thing. But for now, guys, that will be it. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.